Hello English Go-Getter! In today's video, you are going to arrange the words in the correct order to create sentences. Now, before we start, let's review the instructions. So you're going to read the words, then choose the correct answer. Now remember, you have 10 seconds and then the answer will appear. Let's get started.
It's showtime.
You got that right. Question 1. And the correct answer is letter B. He is 36 years old. Question number 2. And the correct answer is letter C. This is my cat. Question number 3. And the correct answer is letter A. The car is red. Question 4. And the correct answer is letter B. John is from Canada. Question 5. And the correct answer is letter C. My name is Amina. Question 6. The correct answer is letter A. She is tall. Question 7. The correct answer is letter A. This is my book. Question 8. The correct answer is letter B. Anne is from Italy. Hey English Go-Getter, keep going. You're halfway there. Question 9. And the correct answer is letter B. He is my father. Question 10. The correct answer is letter C. My mother is a teacher. Question 11. The correct answer is letter B. Daniel is from Turkey. Question 12. And the correct answer is letter A. The dog is small. Question 13. The correct answer is letter C. Sarah is my friend. Question 14. And the correct answer is letter A. Connor is 14 years old. Question 15. The correct answer is letter B. Chicago is a big city. And now, the bonus question. Question number 16. The correct answer is C. Timur is 20 years old. He is from Peru. Great job, English Go-Getter. You finished the quiz.
Bravo on that, by the way.
Share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this type of quiz, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, English Go-Getter.